In this video, I will explain to you what is average daily range in pips. The pip range defines what is the maximum and what is the minimum price for the certain session, for example, different time frame. Let's say on the right side I have a chart with the gold against US dollar on the 4-hour time frame, and on the left side I have an article I have written for the Forex average daily range in pips. Let me explain a little bit some details before I move to the article right here on the chart. The average is if you take several candles in calculation and then calculate what is the average value. Now for the average pip number is the pip number if you go from the bottom, what is the minimum. For example, let's take this bearish candle. The minimum was from here to the maximum, which was here. So here we have 110 pips right here. So if we take a look, if we take these 110 and then calculate what is the pip here from the minimum to the maximum, then from here to here to here to here, and we take several these candles into calculation and take these candle pips into calculation, we will get what is the average for this area, for these, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Let me show you here inside the article. You will see much more clearly what I mean. Here it is the same example I have wanted to show you. So in this case, I have calculated what is the minimum to the maximum number of pips. So I have seen that 72.4 pips is for this candle. For this candle the same. For this one is 91.3, then we have 80 pips and we have 31.7 pips. So I have took what is the number of pips during this session. This session was for the daily range. Now here you can see how to calculate what is the average. If you take a look, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, these are 5 days in a week, and I have summed them, all of them, and I have got 347.8 number of pips. Then I have divided with number 5, which is 5 days, and I have get the average daily range in pips is 69.56 pips. So on average, this Euro USD symbol on the daily time frame has and moves around 69.56 pips. This is the daily range on average for the Euro USD. Now for the gold, it depends. So I would need to take here on the daily time frame, I should take 5 days in a week and calculate what is the average. Take minimum and the maximum number of pips of this candle, of this candle, of this candle, of this candle, and of this candle, and divide with 5 to get the average number of pips. So this is how to calculate the average daily range pips. Now, what is average daily range on the currency pairs? Now you can see here the table I have created for you with a large number of data, and this data has been took over 1 year span. So for example, for the GBP against Japanese yen, you can see the average number of pips for each of these sessions. So I have not took the trading pair on the daily time frame. I have took for the London session and the New York session. There are several hours during the day. So we can see that GBP against Japanese yen on average have 102 pips during the London session, and it has on the New York 82 pips on average. So we can expect that on the New York session, GBP Japanese yen could move around 80 pips. This is useful if you would like to trade the symbols on the currency pair that are highly volatile, and that means the market is moving during the day. Now if we take a look on the opposite side, we have New Zealand dollar against US dollar. On average it moves around 30 pips. So would you like to trade a pair during the day? If we take a look into calculation all the trading session, that means the whole day, into 24 hours, New Zealand dollar against US dollar on average, it trades around 30 pips. Or you would like to trade GBP Japanese yen or GBP USD, who on average is around, let's say 30, this one is 90 together, 90 plus this one is 170, and we can 240 divided with the 4 is around 60 pips. So we have 60 pips on average, which is double than the New Zealand dollar. Which pair you would like to trade? Remember, if the pair do not move, if the currency pair, the symbol, doesn't move up and down, you cannot trade it because you will not make any money. If you go here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that here the volatility is very small. The price did not go up and down too much, but in this case the price was going up and down. So in this market, when the price goes up and down, you can make money. You can open the sell order and you can make money here. But here in this example, where there is average pip movement very low, less volatility, if you open a trade here with a sell, the price will go up and then return back up. So for example, the price will return at the same price you have opened the trade. You will not make any monies. So this is the difference. How will you trade the symbol that has average pip movement with higher number or with less numbers? So the conclusion for the average daily range in the pips, it's a good information to know because it helps you to filter the currency pairs that are volatile, and volatility for the traders is very good. Volatility means the traders are active on the market. Without volatility, you will not be able to make any money. So if you would like to learn more about the average daily range, you can also check other videos I have created for you, but I will create in the future more of them. So if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding this lesson, how to calculate average, and also you can get this chart directly on the getnotrading.com download section. You can download this chart for your reference, so you can see which currency pair, the symbol, has the average pip movement by session. This is all for this lesson. I hope I have helped you to understand what is the average daily range in pips and also how to calculate. Use this example, what I've created here for you with this formula to get the average daily range pips or any other time frame. Just remember, this was the daily. If you would like to have 1 hour average, select several of these candles. If you take a little bit sample, not only 5 candles, but take it the whole day or the whole week on the 1 hour time frame, you will have 5 days multiplied with 24 candles on a 1 hour time frame. You will have 120 candles, which will be much more representative to give you information what is the 1 hour average pip range. This is all for this video. See you next time, and happy trading.